Hello everybody, today is shout out and I want to shout out 3 lovely ladies here on YouTube. Okay, my very first person is Slimchelle. Now Slimchelle, she's always supporting my channel. I thank you, girl. Thank you, sis. She has a great channel, and what she does is she does a lot of shout outs. So if you want to know any YouTubers that just started a channel or have been doing it for a little while, go to Slimchelle's channel, and she has a list of new YouTubers, and she shows so much love to each YouTuber. She has her days where she does her shout out. She has a song that she sings to everybody. It's called "Do You Know What Time It Is? Time it is, time it is. Do you know what time it is? Time it is. It's shout out time." I think I got it. Shell. So go over there and watch her shout out. Go over there and support her channel. Tell her Monica sent you. And she also does hauls and chit chats. Okay, go support my girl Slimchelle. My second YouTuber that I would like for you guys to go over and support her channel is none other than Miss Jenny over at Lovely Moments Creating. That girl, woo, she creates the most beautiful home decor, very inexpensive, and oh my god, I just love her channel. She also does like little bohemian decor too, and she really got me into doing the bohemian decor. So I need for you guys to go over and support her channel. You will love her home decor. So that's another YouTuber. Thank you, Jenny, for also supporting my channel. So you guys head on over there and let her know that Monica over at Monica Monet Collection sent you. You will not be disappointed. Okay, everybody, the third lovely lady here on YouTube that I want you guys to go over and support is none other than Cynthia of Cynthia She's So Blessed. You gotta go over and check out her channel. She does a lot of tablescapes. She got me into doing tablescapes, so go over and check her out. She also does grocery hauls, and she's a part of a Diva Dynasty. She just does a lot over there. She's a wonderful lady, and I want you guys to go support her. Also, her grandmother just turned 102 years old. Guys, go over there and check out Miss Cynthia's channel. You will not regret going over there to subscribe to her channel and watch all her beautiful tablescapes. So that was my 3 lovely ladies that I picked for this shout out. Stay tuned for next week because I already have my 3 ladies that I'm going to shout out.